In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Gmail inbox fast in quick and easy steps. We all know how overwhelming a cluttered inbox can be, so let's dive into a streamlined strategy that will help you manage it like a pro. First, let's make use of the Gmail search bar to efficiently locate emails that may be taking up space without being useful. At the very top of your Gmail, you'll find the search bar where you can type various filters. For example, typing older than 1Y will display all the emails that are older than a year. If you're concerned about large files, you can use larger font 5M to find emails that are bigger than 5 MB. Additionally, if there are specific senders whose emails you want to collect, simply type from followed by the email address. This targeted searching helps you quickly find bulk emails that could be deleted to free up space. Once you've executed your search, the next step is to bulk select the emails. You'll see a select checkbox at the top left corner of your Gmail interface. Click that, and you'll notice a prompt saying, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click on that option to ensure you're selecting every email that fits your criteria. With your email selected, it's time to either delete or archive them. If you're sure you no longer need the emails, hit the trash bin icon to delete them. However, if you prefer to keep them but don't want them clogging up your main inbox, click Archive. This way, they're out of sight but still accessible in case you need them later. To prevent future clutter, it's wise to unsubscribe from newsletters that you no longer find valuable. When you open a newsletter, scroll to the top, and next to the sender's name, you should see an unsubscribe option. Clicking this reduces the chances of your inbox getting swamped with promotional emails. Gmail offers a helpful feature called categories. To enable it, go to settings by clicking the gear icon, then click see all settings and navigate to the inbox tab. Here, you can enable tabs like primary, social, and promotions. This feature automatically sorts your emails, so your primary tab remains dedicated to personal and important emails only. Creating filters can also be incredibly efficient. Head back to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses, and select Create a Filter. For instance, you could set a filter to auto-archive all emails with receipt in the subject, which helps manage future emails smoothly. Finally, let's free up some storage by emptying your trash and spam folders. Click on Trash and select Empty Trash Now. Do the same for spam. This quick step will give your Gmail account some much needed breathing room. And there you have it. Your Gmail inbox can be clean and organized with just a few easy steps. Keep this routine in mind to ensure your inbox stays tidy moving forward. Happy organizing!